How to create a Monzo bot for saving. In order to create a Monzo saving bot, you can follow the steps. First thing first, you want to log into your Monzo account. In the Monzo app, you just want to go to the home or accounts tab and select the plus icon or scroll down and tap create bot. Then you want to select instant access savings to earn interest on your savings. You will see an explanations of how it works and need to agree to the terms and conditions as well. Then you have to give your bot a name and pick an image as well. Set a savings goal for virtual progress tracking as well. And you could start making a deposit, set up a regular transfer, and use a roundup as well. And that's how you could create a Monzo bot for savings. And if you are having any sort of issue setting up or creating a Monzo bot, you could simply contact support team, or maybe you could go ahead and look for any sort of issue that is happening or that's in your app as well. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.